Turn off the ignition, pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now be able to easily see the airbox to change the filter. Using a socket wrench and a 7mm socket, remove the 3 retaining screws on the airbox flange. Don't try to take them out, they stay in their housing even if they're not fixed in. Remove the flange. Take out the air filter. Take the new filter and compare it with the old one to ensure that they're identical. Put the filter back in place. Ensure that the rubber washer is placed on the right place. This will help you put the flange back on more easily. Put the flange back in place. First, use the 3 retaining tabs. Then finish by screwing the 3 retaining screws back in. Operation completed.